damn.
God damn.
Yeah. Hot nigga no.
I did.
What?
Bro, I'm vlogging, right?
Ah, Taco Bell.
Yeah. The other minorities over there.
Let's see, where's this one over here? Where's that guy?
14 mil.
There should be one in there.
Where?
In the little box.
It was.
There was. I'm like 99.99. Hey, you know what?
Get him canceled. Say it. Say it.
You fucking there, bro.
Holy shit.
Bro,
No way.
you need a new prescription, bro.
You know what it is? It was dusty. I couldn't see.
Oh, yeah.
You're not supposed to be here.
Oh, yeah.
Get 3/4. Get 3/4. What the fuck is a kilometer?
Who's the 1316 over here?
You motherfucker. You're gonna try to prove a point instead of just getting.
I'm trying to prove it to myself.
Okay.
Wait, you try this before.
Now, why not? How you gonna put the top on? No, but he wants to prove it. God damn.
God damn.
Yeah. Hot nigga no.
I thought 1316 was 19. Apparently I'm not.
Dang, you just got schooled. That's crazy.
Yo.
He just put you out of a job.
Yeah. I don't know what I was gonna say. I forgot. No, I was just telling him to fuck himself.
Fuck yourself.
Yeah. Oh, and you got the little thing you cooked out. You got a little thing in the mouth.
Hey, go to the gym.
That's crazy, bro. All that. Alright, we'll switch jobs. Like, if one of y'all come over here.
Nah, you go, bro.
Yeah, show me how
Nah,
it's done.
he's in the gym more than you.
If that shit comes loose immediately, I'm swinging.
I'm suing right now.
So you gotta think smarter than harder.
You got the, what, you use the drill or what?
No, you gotta, play with it a little bit,
You gonna play with it?
You're gonna smack the fucking wrench? Smack that fucking crack open.
Oh, there it is, baby.
This is bullshit. He's like, man, pop right off.
Give me a flathead.
No.
Okay.
You look like a flathead.
Low key?
Sad what, is that like a racial comment or what is that?
I don't know.
Is that racially motivated?
I guess.
Holy fuck! Chris!
That's a part of the motor, my brody.
That's what holds it together.
Put it in low.
It's just gonna be vibrating.
I hate how much of a garage mechanic you are, bro. I realize it, that's crazy.
Well, you know what? I wouldn't have to go to this if it wasn't, cool about it.
Damn. Sorry, man. At least I know how to pull out, man.
Hey, that's true.
Bro, just, put a fucking metal rod in there.
I put my metal rod in here.
Just look at the camera.
Let's go on a trip. And our
So
favorite
the-
rocket ship
okay.
going to all
You know,
those
the bottom
on.
Wait, you want to have him drive that there?
No, you're right. I'm just saying, like,
We're leaving it for suspense.
Wait, whose idea was it? Was it your idea or his idea?
It was his idea.
Oh.
what?
I just want to wait and see how this whole plays out.
Yeah. We're talking about how you need to wash those dirty ass hands right now.
What are you
No.
Guys, bro. Guys, if you ain't first, you ain't last, bro.
Where the fuck is? What the fuck you mean?